Design thinking at SAP, a focus on customer-centric innovation. SAP has significantly invested in design thinking to drive innovation and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Their approach is rooted in understanding customer needs, fostering collaboration, and creating solutions that address complex business challenges. Key aspects of design thinking at SAP. Customer centricity. SAP places a strong emphasis on understanding customer pain points and desires. They use design thinking to develop solutions that directly address customer needs. Innovation. SAP encourages a culture of innovation where employees are empowered to think creatively and challenge the status quo. Collaboration. Cross-functional teams work together to leverage diverse perspectives and create holistic solutions. Iterative development. SAP follows an iterative approach to product development, allowing for continuous improvement based on customer feedback. Digital transformation. Design thinking is instrumental in SAP's digital transformation initiatives, helping them create innovative solutions for the evolving business landscape. How SAP implements design thinking. Customer journey mapping. SAP maps out customer journeys to identify touchpoints and opportunities for improvement. This helps them create seamless experiences. Design sprints. SAP utilizes design sprints to rapidly develop and test new ideas, accelerating the innovation process. Prototyping and testing. SAP encourages prototyping to visualize concepts and gather feedback early in the development cycle. User experience, UX, design. SAP places a strong emphasis on UX design to create intuitive and engaging user interfaces. Impact of design thinking at SAP. Improved customer satisfaction. By focusing on customer needs, SAP has enhanced customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased innovation. Design thinking has fostered a culture of innovation, leading to the development of groundbreaking products and services. Enhanced business value. SAP's design-driven approach has contributed to increased business value and competitive advantage.
If you find this video inspiring, do not forget, like, share, and subscribe AIXPro.in videos.